Luckily, electric driving is not only about battery capacities and charging facilities. The most important thing is it is fun to drive. And this is exactly what we are going to check out now. All right, let's go. What do you think? Is it on or is it off? It's on. Let's go. The turning circle of our two-seater is incredibly short. It's only 6 meters 95. So wherever you want to turn around in the city, just turn around. The car is so silent while driving, so we thought it's clever to make people around aware of it. That's the reason why we installed the acoustic presence indicator that works to a speed up to 30 kilometers per hour and is a standard equipment. Pay attention to the sound. We hardly make any noises, not in here nor outside. You can actually open the roof while driving at any speed. If you even want to see some more of the sky, you can take off the roof bars. For that, I will stop now and park the car. Now that's real cabrio feeling. You can even hear the birds and the leaves in the trees. The new Smart EQ models are so much fun to drive. The driving dynamics are supported by the low center of gravity, the full torque of the e-motor by any time, and there are no gear shifts anymore. Another cool comfort feature that we have installed in that car is the radar-based recuperation system. Works actually quite simple. So whenever you drive in the city, the distance to the car in front of you is actually put into the right place just by using recuperation instead of braking. Gives you additional energy in the battery and a longer range to drive. Let's see how sustainable we were on our little trip. A parameter that can help you is the Eco Score that is provided inside the vehicle and also on your EQ control app. What is the Eco Score about? The Eco Score in the end is like a game. It is judging how balanced your driving was in terms of acceleration and top speed. In a nutshell, the higher the score, the longer your range.
Smart.